Hey there, car lovers. Are you tired of spending thousands of dollars on simple car repairs? But do you know many common car problems can be easily diagnosed and fixed by yourself with the right tools and knowledge? No mechanic needed. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 common car problems you can fix yourself, providing step-by-step instructions and bonus tips to save you money and keep your car running smoothly. Let's dive in. Problem number 1, dead battery. The first problem you can fix yourself is a dead battery. If your car won't start due to a dead battery, jump starting can bring it back to life. For jump starting, you just need jumper cables and a donor vehicle with a charged battery. Park donor car close to yours, but ensure the two vehicles don't touch. Turn off both cars and follow the following steps. Step 1. Connect the positive clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Step 2. Connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Step 3. Attach the negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Step 4. Attach the final black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the car with the dead battery. Step 5. Start the working car and let it run for a few minutes, then try starting the dead car. Step 6. Once the car starts, remove the cables in reverse order. Boom! You're back on the road. Problem number 2, flat tire. A sharp object, poor road conditions, or low tire pressure can cause a flat tire. Driving on a flat can damage your wheel or suspension. To replace a flat tire, you just need some basic tools such as a jack, lug wrench, spare tire, and gloves. Now follow the following steps to replace your flat tire. Step 1. Loosen the lug nuts while the car is still on the ground. Don't take them off yet, just loosen them. Step 2. Use your jack to lift the car until the flat tire is off the ground. Step 3. Remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Then, line up the spare and hand tighten the nuts. Step 4. Lower the car, then tighten the lug nuts fully in a star pattern. Good news is, you're ready to roll again. Problem number 3, replacing the air filter. Your car's air filter is like its lungs. A clogged filter means poor performance and worse fuel economy. Here's how to replace air filter under 5 minutes. Step 1. Locate the air filter housing under the hood. Usually it is a plastic box secured with clips or screws. Step 2. Open the housing and take out the old filter. Step 3. Place the new filter in the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Step 4. Close and secure the housing. Now you are ready to drive your car. Problem number 4, replacing windshield wipers. Ever been caught in a storm with streaky wipers? It's not just annoying, it's dangerous. Thankfully, replacing wipers is a quick fix. You can replace your car wipers by following these simple steps. Step 1. Lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Step 2. Press the tab or button on the blade connector to release it. Step 3. Slide off the old blade and attach the new one by sliding it into the connector until it clicks. Step 4. Lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Problem number 5, headlight or taillight replacement. Driving with a burned-out headlight or taillight isn't just unsafe, it's illegal in most places. Luckily, fixing this is as simple as changing a light bulb at home. Consult your car manual to identify the correct bulb type. To replace headlight bulb, you must have a screwdriver and replacement bulb, and then follow these steps. Step 1. Access the bulb socket from behind the light assembly. Step 2. Twist the socket counterclockwise and pull it out. Step 3. Replace the old bulb with a new one, avoiding direct contact with the glass. Step 4. Reassemble the light housing. Now your car's headlight is ready, and you can switch it on whenever you need it. Problem number 6, refilling coolant. Maintaining proper coolant levels prevents engine overheating. This is one of the easiest problems you can fix yourself in just a few minutes. Here is how you can refill coolant. Step 1. Wait until the engine is cool to avoid burns. Step 2. Locate the coolant reservoir. Step 3. Open the cap and fill the reservoir with the recommended coolant type until it reaches the proper level. Step 4. Replace the cap securely. Problem number 7, engine oil change. Engine oil ensures proper lubrication of the moving parts and cools them properly. It is recommended to change engine oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Changing your engine oil is one of the most important car maintenance tasks you can do yourself if you have basic tools such as new oil filter, new oil, a jack, socket wrench, oil filter wrench, funnel, and oil drain pan. Follow these steps to change your oil. Step 1. Park on a level surface and let the engine cool. Step 2. Locate the oil drain plug under the car and position the oil drain pan beneath it. Step 3. Use a socket wrench to loosen and remove the plug. Allow the oil to drain completely. Step 4. Use the oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter. Step 5. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the rubber seal of the new filter. Step 6. Screw the new filter into place by hand until snug. Step 7. Reinstall the drain plug securely. Step 8. Open the oil filler cap on top of the engine and pour in the new oil. Step 9. Check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Bonus tip: don't overfill engine oil. Overfilling may cause foam inside your engine, leading to its failure. Problem number 8, fixing a loose or squeaky belt. Hear a high-pitched squeal when you start your car? That's likely a loose belt. Over time, belts can become loose or worn, affecting engine performance. Do you know you can fix this problem at your home without the help of a mechanic? You just need a wrench, socket set, and tension gauge. Follow these simple steps to replace your engine belt. Step 1. Turn off the engine and locate the problem attic. Step 2. Inspect the belt for cracks, fraying, or excessive looseness. If damaged, replace the belt. Step 3. Use a wrench to adjust the tensioner pulley to tighten or replace the belt. Step 4. Refer to your car manual for the correct tension level. A properly tensioned belt should only deflect slightly when pressed. Problem number 9, fixing a stuck electric window. A stuck window could result from a blown fuse or malfunctioning motor. These repairs are very simple and you can do them yourself. Fix it by following the steps. Step 1. Locate the fuse box. Check your car manual to quickly find the location of fuse box. Step 2. Check the fuse for the power windows and replace it if blown. Step 3. If the fuse is intact, the issue may be with the window motor or switch, which might require professional assistance. Problem number 10, replacing spark plugs. Spark plugs play a vital role to ensure the proper combustion of the air-fuel mixture and smooth car running. Worn spark plugs can cause poor fuel efficiency and engine misfires. Therefore, it is necessary to replace the worn spark plugs as soon as possible to prevent your engine from severe damage. This is a part that you can easily replace by following these steps. Step 1. Locate the spark plugs by following the thick wires running to the engine. Step 2. Use a spark plug socket and wrench to remove one plug at a time. Step 3. Before installing the new plug, check and adjust its gap using a gap gauge if necessary. Step 4. Screw the new plug into place by hand, then tighten it with the wrench. Repeat for each spark plug. After replacing all spark plugs, turn on your engine and check the performance of each spark plug. See? Car maintenance doesn't have to be intimidating. With a little know-how, you can tackle these 10 common car problems yourself and save $1,000. So grab those tools and start wrenching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more DIY car tips. Until next time, keep your ride running smooth.